Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing, going to do a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now and from a presentation viewpoint. I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The newest update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So 355 was an area of support going into today, but now that the price is down below it, that would be the initial level of resistance. In the event the price can push up through 355, the next key overarching level to watch would be that purple line up there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time plays out, that line will continue to move itself higher, or lower and lower to the downside. But right now, kind of getting a little too far ahead of myself because, priority number one, at least in my opinion, is not even necessarily breaking 355, but just trying to stabilize out and get some sideways movement. Because as of right now, it's just been, new lows after new lows. So even sideways price movement, like I said, would be a good step in the right direction, which segues nicely into the next talking point, which is levels of support. And 335 I talked about as a level of support in the video from Wednesday. And you can see so far so good. This level is indeed holding as support. Temporarily dropped below it a little bit this morning, but that didn't last very long. And then you can see the price is still up above it right there. So 335, definitely that ideal level of support that you would want to see hold strong. In the event that level does not hold up, we may have to go to another time frame here because it's been a long time since the price. There we go. So in the event, like I said, that level does not hold of support, then the next key level of support down there at about $3.20. So 335 and then 320, next couple areas of support. Overall, though, yeah, the bears are remain in full control. They made more progress today with new lows, but the price is trying to stabilize out. So let's see if the price can maintain above 335 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.